Hello, good evening, everybody. Richard, thank you for inviting me to this panel. And, well, my title, right, doesn't really mesh well with the industrial things, but within my company, I started to look into Internet of Things. And as being a very big manufacturing company with conservative practices and very established customer base, we were not the first one to jump into Internet of Things and see what's happening there. About a year ago, I was listening to a talk from Cisco, and they were highlighting at the time this inception of Industrial Internet Consortium. And given that all our parts are playing pretty much in everything in the world that relates to connectivity and moving of power, data, we thought that it would be good to us to explore the ecosystem, to become a player there, and participate in that new world that is changing around us. So I'll use this opportunity to introduce the TE connectivity. We are a world leader enabling connectivity solutions. When I say that, these are connectors, relays, junction boxes, antennas, and sensors. So pretty much in everything in the world, you have to establish a connectivity solutions. Somewhere at the bottom of that chain, maybe apart from TE connectivity. We generated about $14 billion in sales in 165 billion connectivity and sensor market. We have, as I said, a very solid, well-established customer base, and our solutions are central to Internet of Things and to the increasingly connected world. We play almost across all market segments with very significant emphasis on industrial solutions and automotive solutions. And you see here this depiction of all different industries that we service our parts. We're a very big manufacturing company with about 125 factories spread globally. We manufacture about 500,000 products in our product line portfolio with more than 100 billion parts that we manufacture globally for our customers. So for us, not to play in Internet of Things was not a question. We have to be there, given that our customers are using our parts in all these different applications. For this meeting specifically, I will talk a little bit more about what the exponential growth of data is causing to the changes of the solutions that are required for the smart factory floor, and what new and innovative platforms are we offering in that space. So if we talk about industrial market space, probably almost every here is our customer, and I listed a few of them on that slide. Again, you see all these little parts that we manufacture and provide for your solutions, and you may not even know of them. These are small, boring parts that lie at the bottom of your BOM when you're contemplating a big new project. By the same token, all these little parts are very sophisticated inside them, and they have no right to fail. You don't want to build a big machine or a robot and then find out that it's not working because some connector burnt out. So from our perspective, being a solution provider of connectivity products that have high reliability and work in harsh environments is the core of our expertise. And this is how we see ourselves moving forward. So when you will be building these big, important projects on industrial internet, on wearables, on any other IoT solution, you can rely on us with high-quality solutions that's rugged, and work in harsh environments, and can serve all kinds of different purposes. So jumping straight into one of the cases that I prepared for that meeting on what are the new innovative solutions that we think would be needed for the new factory of the future is based on the word flexibility. I don't believe I heard it here yet, but we don't see the factory of the future without flexible manufacturing environment. And when you want to move in this direction, connector will be your stumbling block. Everywhere you have cables, connectors, You can forget about implementing the new solutions that would allow you then to build on industrial internet and do things you want to do. So we believe that moving forward in the factory, contactless solutions with contactless power in data will be the core that you need to build into your new factory. These solutions should be flexible. You can rotate your connectors. They can transmit data and power through the walls, through oils, through all kinds of harsh environment conditions. And for us, moving into this new era means that we have to provide you new contactless connectivity solutions. Our new product, we named it ARISO, is just that. It has contactless power and data solution that provides connectivity through walls and harsh environments, allows misalignment between the couplers, resistant to vibration and rotation, has unlimited mating cycles for easy maintenance with additional safety through self-shutdown. What it means basically when you talk about predictive maintenance and introduction of industrial internet, you don't need to worry about what connectors are doing on the factory floor. Through that condition that we will have unlimited mating cycles and resistance to vibration and rotation. Another part where we started to experiment, again, us being at the bottom of the food chain, providing small little parts, we started to think, what else you might need in the factory of the future, and we started to look into the industrial cabinets that are full of different relays, and part of them hopefully can be supplied by us, TE Connectivity. You don't have visibility what is happening in these industrial cabinets with our relays. So we decided to step forward and to start experiment with Internet of Things and created our first smart object, which is a smart relay. The smart relay will have this wireless capability sitting in your industrial cabinet and providing you all information what is happening to it. Temperature, current, voltage, and things like that, so you can put it on your iPhone and all classic ways you do Internet of Things. And we are hoping that this is a new functionality that the big machinery manufacturers, our customers, will find interesting for them. And from that, this will be our first step. We'll start to moving more into providing you the functionality you may need with the smart connectors, smart sensors that are part of our product portfolio. With that, I just want to say thank you. TE Connectivity is a key enabler of products that are connected across industries and across the world. And we are very interested to continue to work and co-innovate with our customers to provide you the solutions you need to move into Factory 4.0 environment. Thank you.